last comedian for the night, this guy, I watch him when I small. I grew up, they watch him. Now me and I'm the do him. Please make some noise for I Go Save.
Nobody wanna give, everybody wanna take.
Thank you.
Fine girls want to get 1K. Talking loud, want to follow one.
Thank you, DJ. FunnyBone. All these boys, when I go, they say we'll be full. I wash them when I small. I want you when I grow. My brother, you go pay me. Because tomorrow you'll say, hey, I call support you. I not call support you, I call work. I get 3 daughters. Now this work, I not get another work, safe. And on a good morning. Now no go answer. Because not be me really cause the problem with this country. With all of una, they go through them. The only difference now say, I dey here now, I hold mic to make una happy so that you forget your problem. But me, my problem will still there with me. You understand? So if I crack any joke, whether it's funny or not, do me one big favor, just laugh. Because now my work be this. You know, go come make my work look like, say, I need to meet targets. Because on our way they work for bank, not be all of them they meet targets. I never call complaint for them once. Saying, so you not meet targets. And I not even 1 year say, oh, this joke, where this guy crack now, oh joke, make God for not punish you. Because this carpet where they coat, and 4 years, I never complain. True. Well, I be don't say, I don't want to talk about Obi Kubana, Mama Beria. Because people don't too talk. No say for backstage, for comedy show like this, we dey write our jokes. So as a professional, you go to filter. It's called filtration. When somebody talk with it relates to what you be one crack, you cancel them. But this one I know feel cancel them. Wanna clap for Obi Kubana. The man who changed the face of Nigerian burial. No, for real. Because at the seal that time when the burial they happen, first of all, Obi Kubana, Jeje Okosha, Don Jazzy, Muna 3 book January 2nd. Now my show for Benin, I want use Una. Una don't get fans, especially Obi Kubana.
I'm a family.
Bro, I need to like use music if I dey perform. Neptune, play, don't worry, play music. Play. Because Obi Kubana, when your mama burial, they go, when money, they fly. Nigerians, double standard people. Now, so that they do. What is his source of living? Once you see person where they give small money, on a don't turn FCC. What is his source of living? What does he do for a living? Me, where they suffer, and I don't ask, what do I suffer for a living? Obi Kubana, that's so burial supposed to be. How Obi Kubana, how God wanted to tell us, say you did not make heaven. With what God see. Now once they'll tell us, oh boy, go VIP lounge, go chill, they come attend to you. First, they'll give a tea. Bondo, 500. Now, if in those days, if we go show normally, if boys want to spray us, now fear. Now, Bondo, they throw, boom. Now, Obi Kubana change them. Can your mother ever? This country where they go say, rest in perfect peace. Oh, rest in peace. He has retired. Now for Oyibo country, now you go see all those, the Ronaldo, they go retire. They know they use, they do anything again. Their own. Now if FIFA want to say they want pick who go play who for group, they'll call bring their call, they'll call wear suits. They speak prelamado, pronto mesa, pronto lebele. Ball 7, port C. This country now a very disrespectful country. Okosha legend, now bet king go give scripts. Person we don't retire. We be say the whole world no. We be say Ronaldinho of Brazil say now Okosha he look up to. Bet king go give Okosha script for retirement. Okosha be no one do, but when he look account balance, funds don't low. He take the script, he look am. Bet now I say, but this thing they work. Now that's okay, do it your way. Now I say, hello everybody. I'm not an actor, but you know how I do my thing. I don't use my mouth, I use my feet. A whole legend. Hi. JJ, don't worry, I understand. Many people they complain say it's not supposed to do it. No, answer them. Do it. In short, another company does write another script for you. But those ones now people where they say agbo. Drink one, it make you go hard. But what I want to still beg on, the too much things we now they drink to say on top woman. We should divert our research attention to how to better the country. All of us here, 96% of us. Now, what you go make us stay on top woman with the recession? Now, made this country day where day. For real. All those small bottles. Cola Colagbo, Origin, Rouge or DGG. What's happen? Because of Unana, most of our guests, if you see online, skin glow, pussy tightening cream, relationship na communication. As a lady, before you buy pussy tightening cream, discuss with your boyfriend. Because men get things where they hide, they swallow. Because if they buy vagina tightening cream, those ones they buy penis enlargement tablets. So wait till you the struggle to close, another man the struggle to open them. Anyway, I see you, you hear me? So relationship communicate. All those things when they drink. If you dey quick come, you be comrade, nothing go change. Say, oh, you be 3 minutes man. Okay, you won't drink those things so that you go say. Have you not noticed that all those things where they say in access enhancers, the bottles are always short? You don't see anyone will get long bottle. The bottles are short. That shows how your time will be. If you do 3 minutes, that if you help you add 30 seconds. Not go blame and say, this one need to work. No, now you need to work. No matter how you drink, if you quick come, you quick come. And you don't observe, say people where they quick come, now they get excuse pass for this life. One of my stupid friends flew all the way from Ghana, 45 minutes flight to this Eco hotel. Got here, praise and worship, sha. 3 minutes, gee. The girl was disappointed because the man don't make mouth full ground. Now the ones the girl say, excuse me, not say this lucky girls not get respect, especially those ones where they do skin glow. Excuse me, honorable, what was all this? Don't leave me hanging. Now the man say, my sister, Shale, you know, today make it 6 years I lost my father. Every anniversary I come quick because of prayers. Not be some one idiot, go give me one small, very small bottle, it'll be like this. The guy say, Baba, you see this thing, if you drink am. I say, oh boy, which one be the? Talk to me, what's up? He say, Baba, just drink am. Now say I no go drink the tea. I can't put her for my bag. So I was traveling from Benin to Warri. So police just see us. So they just say, pack. Or by Roger House. I say, I not get. Roger House. I say, I not get. Oh, you're going to pack for sesh. So the guy says, sesh, come see that small drink for my bag. Before they want to explain, if I say, now the guy that open that drink up. Now I say, you want to show yourself, I go save. If now this thing they make you get money, I don't drink them, I go get like your money. Now I say, okay, no problem. So I want to continue my journey. And I say, come, give me your number. You come my picky bed, do all this one, they make math for TV. Give me your number. Now I say, give her my number. So 6 a.m., my phone call, they ring. I look the number now, no number. I say, I beg, I won't sleep. I cut the call. The guy recall back. I not pick. He call again. 7 missed call. Now I say, this if it be SOS. This person if the trouble. Man, just pick. Now you pick. Now yeah. DPO, he don't pick. I go save. I say, who be this now? Now I mean, the officer for we check you yesterday where you give your number. I say, brother, have fun now. I did. I beg. That thing when I drink for your bag, it they make prick strong. I say, I don't. What's the problem? Oh, but I talk now, man to man thing. I say, but what's the problem? No, some women will be they come from market. As I stop them, I can't observe, say my gun, they shift. When I look, now my prick, they shift my gun. You see, stand still now as they talk to you. Now I say, okay, not to take fuck, sha, but I never use her once. Hey! Oh boy, the thing I die, yo. As I they talk to you now, assistant. I beg, what will be the name? Because we throw away the bottle, we don't find a time. DPO say if I not see him, I don't lose my job. This funny bone, let me your show they tire me. Person no don't crack joke, you don't. Smart all these people go and say did not perform for long. Go come be like say I quick come. Tire. If you know say people many, let's how they do. Where this person, money not come. Oh, vintage. Money not come. So I feel crack this joke. Now my last joke. So they don't tell me say I get bad head. Not be my hair shape when I say I did die am. So if you look well, if you be who get eye, you see say this area. Now die that's a film. I can't do without die. Normally some people they will come here I go die now, but I need the verse. I must dye my hair to get my hairline. I've lost it. But the problem is, if you lost your hairline, you need to know. You go to quarrel with Baba, you tell Baba they fuck up. So that thing do me for 3 years. Now my mama can't open up to me. I go to tell, oh boy, I tell you, say shave here. And all these babas, God go punish some of you now. Bro, if you cannot shave my hair that God gave me, not use powder to deceive me. You just use powder to line me. How come they look mirror like, man, sexy boy, fuck shit, man. Lucky tonight is a shit. I go, your bath, I lost all my beauty. That's fraud. Now my mama called tell me, say, not be the baba, my pikin. You know, say you not meet your grandpapa. Now bad head. Now God, they shave you. Small. FunnyBone, I won't come out now. But again, once you quite be prepared, but I know can't feel cracker because now gets my cracker. They say my cracker mo. So if you do any, I go crack gun for you. So I beg all these guests, not be say I say all of them shower before I go put me for social media. Say I am body shaming or job shaming you. On our way they do a shower now I won't beg. Though some men they here with their wife, so they no go feel attest to the fact. The money will not the bill too much. Please. 516, that is 5.6 million to fuck. That's bullshit. Person go call say, now once man did that, but man just enjoy this life, nothing day. Go call say make it pay. You call the shoes hotel. Where are you staying? Eco Hotel. Which side? Signature or suit? No, I don't do suits. Do signature. Boy go call close. I say, my yours kuku pay. Now once make you enjoy this girl today. Person go call pay, naked you. After like 3 minutes of the next thing go come out for that game out now. Excuse me. Please don't come inside me. You are mad. You are rude. If I pay you $5,000, I know say I don't marry you go bono. On a good night.
Get out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please. One more time, make some noise for I go save, please. Yeah.